Journey through the digestive system. Organs in the digestive system help the body break down and absorb food. Mouth turns food into small pieces with the help of the teeth and saliva. Esophagus carries food from the mouth to the stomach. Stomach churns and mixes food with gastric juice. Liver produces bile, breaks down fat and removes toxins. Gallbladder stores the bile the liver produces. Pancreas produces enzymes that help break down food. Small intestine digests and absorbs proteins, fat, and carbohydrates. Large intestine absorbs salt and water from food, leaving a soft mass called stool. Rectum acts as the stool's temporary storage. Anus, where stools access the body. Thanks for watching. बच्चों, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें।